What's up everyone, welcome to the Switching Gears channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the alert button. Now you can be reminded what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. And if you're returning, thanks for coming back. It's another hot day here in the Switching Gears garage, but I am super pumped for the install today. We are installing some tab 50 cals. Now it's a first for me because usually I do a full exhaust, but today we're just going to throw some slip-ons on. Now I've been somewhat skeptical about just throwing slip-ons on the bike, but everything I've heard on the YouTube community about the tab 50 cals is nothing but good things. So hopefully it'll be the same for us. Now one thing I can say before we take off the stock exhaust is these new ones are freaking cannons, man. These are really going to fill in the back end of the bike. Now let's stop wasting time and throw these things on the bike. Listen, y'all, it's easy to slide in, but it ain't easy to slide out, right? All right, now let's go ahead and put the new mufflers on. Take a look at that back end, guys and girls. If I know one thing, bikers love them a good looking rear end. That's a good looking rear end. Definitely a night and day difference from stock. Eventually we'll probably get some headers, but for now, that sounds pretty dang good. Anyways, y'all, if you're on the verge of getting the tab slip-ons, do it. And hopefully this video will help you determine if you want to get them or not. Now, before y'all hear the difference between the stock and the tab 50 cal exhaust, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that alert button. Now you can be reminded what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. See you on the next one, y'all. Listen to these beautiful sounds.